In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a token on PancakeSwap using Trust Wallet. If you're new to cryptocurrency trading or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide is here to help you navigate the process seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, begin by opening your Trust Wallet app. If you're using Trust Wallet for the first time, you'll notice a user-friendly interface equipped with a variety of features such as sending, swapping, funding, and selling. These are located prominently on your screen. Alongside these features, you'll also see a portfolio of your tokens displayed neatly. For those of you using a mobile device, you'll want to locate the search icon within the Trust Wallet app. Tap this icon and in the search bar, enter PancakeSwap Finance. Once it appears, give it a click. This will allow you to connect your Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap, which is essential for the next steps. Now, if you're following along on a laptop, the process is slightly different but straightforward. Instead of going through the Trust Wallet app, you can navigate directly to the PancakeSwap website. Simply open your browser and enter the URL, pancakeswap.finance. Once you've arrived at PancakeSwap, you'll need to choose which token you'd like to sell. Take a moment to review your options, and once you've made your decision, click on the token you plan to sell. This action will prompt a new option to select the token you wish to receive in exchange. Carefully select your desired token and make sure that everything looks correct. Next, it's time to enter the amount you wish to sell. Be sure to double-check this number for accuracy to avoid any potential mishaps. When you're ready, proceed by clicking on the Swap button. This action will initiate the transaction process. To finalize the transaction, you'll need to follow the prompt that appears on your screen. This is a crucial step. If you're ever unsure about anything, take your time to read through the information provided carefully. The prompts may include confirming transaction details or authorizing with your Trust Wallet. Complete these steps and you're all set. Selling tokens on PancakeSwap using Trust Wallet can seem a bit daunting at first, but with a little practice, it becomes a quick and efficient process. Remember to always double-check your selections to ensure everything is as intended. Thanks for tuning in today and happy trading.